ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ.
So we just reached Dublin Airport, and for the travel to Mahakum, we are just packing very light, just a backpack and a small bag. Probably we will check in this backpack and get going. Managed to reach Mumbai. We had got 2 flights. We went to Abu Dhabi and then Abu Dhabi to Mumbai, and from Mumbai International to domestic terminal. That was also easy. Anyway, so we have a flight to Prayagraj tomorrow morning at 7. We have today morning at 7. And
She's in different timeline. She's in Dublin.
yeah, my head is all over the place, but yeah, catching 3 flights and another 3 more hours of wait to catch our next flight to Prayagraj. भैया ये लोग कुंभ के लिए निकल रहे हैं।
हाँ जी, गंगा स्नान के लिए यही तो असली कुंभ के वो है।
यही रास्ता है।
हाँ, ये वो था ना उनको
Nearly took us 5 hours to reach from Prayagraj airport to the Samastiti stay. So we had booked our stay accommodation in the package in the Samastiti, and we are here. And it's, I mean, I don't know what to say. Like every inch, there were people, and so much traffic and the crowd. It was just something else to see such massive crowds. And finally we've reached our stay. Now it's about 2:30, 3 o'clock, so 5 hours. We're just going to freshen up and do our sadhana, and then have food, and then see what's up in the evening. nearly 5ish now. We finished, we freshened up and we finished our Devi Sadhana, Shambhavi. There's this beautiful sadhana space here which has Sadguru Sannidhi and also Devi Mukha. So, yeah, everything is done. The only thing is we are missing food from morning. We haven't had food, anything.
From yesterday.
Oh, yeah, from yesterday. Just the flight food and really hungry. At the same time, I don't know.
And now we are waiting to go to Ganga Aarti.
Ganga Aarti. So there's Ganga Aarti at 6:30.
Yeah.
So
Go that.
we'll go there and
Come and press
probably
chicken.
have food, have something to eat.
If we are lucky, we'll
If we
get
are-
something.
Yes.
Yeah.
We finished Ganga Aarti on our first day in Prayagraj. It was so beautiful, and I think we'll go back to the stay now and have dinner. And that's it. That's the first day at Prayagraj at the Mahakumbh Mela.
Dilip got up early and did all his asanas and made all his things right. And just one more dip.
One more
That's it.
dip, and
we're all waiting for
yeah.
that one moment.
We're just waiting for the auto to start now.
That was the biggest news because so many people are gathering.
We are just waiting at Nageshwar Ghat now. We don't know which way to go. There are so many traffic restrictions in place. We don't know if we have to walk from here to Sangam Ghat or... Hey, camel!
Beautiful air. Air
Yeah,
is
so
amazing.
fresh.
So fresh. Yeah, you won't feel that lightness anywhere. The water, it's silky. The meltwater coming down through Ganga. You can understand how people would think that this river is the lifeblood. It is life.
Yeah.
Without this river, this land is nothing. Amazing.
No, I'm giving. Huh? It's very sunny, nice. It's day 3 today at Kumbh Mela. So yesterday we finished the bath. We were supposed to go to the Akhada visit, but that did not happen because we went around 8:30 in the morning. We started for the bath and then came back to the stay around 6:30. So almost like more than 8 hours went and just managed to get the bath and just to and fro travel. And the boat ride as well. So it was absolutely beautiful. Today we are planning to do the temples and as well as the akhadas.
I was working for I speak this kind of people. Who can do this for me?
We didn't think so we'll do Kolam in Prayagraj, but yeah, we got this opportunity to do it and we just did it as an offering.
दर्शन करते आगे बढ़ते रहे।
थोडी वाटली त्याच्यानंतर
Today is our last day and we are just waiting for the cab from 2 hours but probably we'll end up going in the bike because the cabs cannot come in because of the traffic. So yeah, 5 o'clock is our flight.
3 o'clock is our flight.
3 o'clock is our flight. And we need to reach like, I don't know, 5-6 hours of traffic or hopefully 2 hours of traffic. Last night was really good after the Hanuman temple and everything. We had to get our way back to the stay, and it was I think 5 kilometers or more than 5 kilometers walk. We walked a bit and then we started asking for bikes, and then we ended up going in
For 3 kilometers we paid
3 kilometers, 400 rupees
per person.
per bike.
Per bike.
Per bike.
And
So,
what, two people
in
Bike.
one bike.
and the bike person
And the
was
bike rider.
the rider.
Oh my god, it felt like he was going in every
all
nook and
kinds of
corner.
Adventure. All adventures, yeah.
Hopefully we get whatever bike or cab or something from here and reach the airport on time. So after all that traffic and all that adventurous travel, we reached the Prayagraj airport, and from Prayagraj airport, we are currently at the Delhi airport. It's 12 o'clock in the night, and our next flight is at 1:50. We are extremely hungry. There are some stomach cramps as well. And we are having idli, dosa, masal, what is that? Dahi vada, and few more yaktika, a nice coffee, and just treating ourselves after Mahakumbh.
Jyoti is the only one reading properly about Kumbh and other things. Back from
What is that book? Can you please show it? What is that book?
Kumbh Mela, Myths, Significance and Reality.
And I think it's the right time to share our experience. Many things that we wanted to do also did not happen, and
Rather than the dip or the bath itself, for me, I wanted to experience the people and the Mela, how it will be.
You look at that crowd, you will be proud of that country,
Yeah.
proud of the humanity of that place. It's got such huge number of people. You can't even imagine.
Yeah.
Millions of people. The whole population of a huge country is there.
There.
That's a small little place.